Welcome back to the training session of SmartERP POS. We shall continue towards our next chapter, which is logging out of the system of SmartERP POS. In this chapter, we shall cover in detail how to log out from the SmartERP POS system. To log out of the system, click on the top left icon bar on your dashboard. After that, find the option of Log Out at the bottom right of your screen. The SmartERP POS app will now take you to its landing page. So to summarize this chapter, we have seen how to log out of the SmartERP POS system. For more training, visit our YouTube channel or scan the QR code as shown here. Thank you for watching and good luck.